Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, I 100% guarantee that we are going to get a chase. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Studios Heroclix Retail Chase Booster of my favorite set in recent history, X-Men 97. This is for 14 years and old, and you can see on the side we have the apostrophe 97 uh, information. We also have a sticker of the 97, okay, and it's super sealed with a plastic wrap. This product was released 2025 by WizKids, and it's also my first time to open a retail chase booster. Uh, I think they started it, if I'm not mistaken, during the Deadpool Weapon X set. Okay, but I wasn't able to get one sealed, but I did get the box of that. Okay, so when the X-Men 97 set came out and they continued the retail chase booster um, products, I really have to get one. Okay, so because I plan to do a master set or complete the entire X-Men 97, and there's a couple of chases I still need, Mr. Sinister and Cyclops, so we hope to get one of them here. If not, of course, we're gonna buy them online or trade for them. Um, but more so, I want to get the box also. Okay, so this is sometimes when I go to weekly tournaments and I don't want to bring my big bag or my big, what you call this, team. Okay, if I want to bring only a few figures for my team, instead of putting them on boosters, I can now put them on a retail chase booster. Okay. By the way, retail chase booster, as the name would suggest, would contain a chase from the set, guaranteed, and of course, I think sometimes it's two rare, sometimes it's SR and a rare, so there's a variety on that, and even a prime at times. And it should also contain a couple of alternate cards for the X-Men 97. We're still looking for two more alternate cards, Storm and Nightcrawler, so we hope to hit one of them as well here. I got this product from Oxit, Oxit Auction by Howard. So it was during the Strange Tales, I think, Oxit, or one of the Christmas Oxit, if I'm not mistaken. And I was able to get it together with a brick of X-Men 97. So I'm quite happy because I don't want to hunt. Meaning it was I was looking for one, but waiting for is to get it cheaply. So, and I was able to do, I think, a fairly reasonable price for this particular retail chase booster. Okay, should I be doing that? Because I don't want a lot of scratches on the box. Okay, there you go. Okay, there's scratch now. Okay, don't do that. Lesson learned, charge the experience. It's okay. It's the bottom of the box, and I think it fades when we do it. Okay. Anyway, so again, we hope to get Mr. Sinister and or Cyclops Chase. Okay, the two that we don't have, Nightcrawler and Storm alternate cards. We have all the super rares and all the rares in this set, so most of them would probably be for trade or for sale. And yeah, let's go. Okay, let me open it from here. Oops. Okay, it's a bit tight. There we go. Our first inaugural retail chase booster of X-Men 97 contains... Oh, yes! We get Mr. Sinister Chase! Okay, and we also have a Cable Prime and a Captain America Rare. But we're happy we got the Sinister because we don't have him yet, and we have Cable Prime, and he pairs nicely with the Chase, Mr. Sinister. Ooh, yay! Now I only have Cyclops to hunt down for the Chase. Okay, we have Cable here, super rare, and Captain America. Okay, this one is good. Captain America, Cable, just fine. Let me just take out Mr. Sinister. Okay. Yay. So now we have, he is carrying baby Cable, and included in the big booster is old Cable, gray hair. And of course, an older character in Captain America. Okay. So let's do a quick look. We have a one shot. Yeah, okay. So it includes a one shot. Magneto was right. And does it include an alternate card? Again, we want Nightcrawler or Storm. Okay. Mr. Sinister, Cable, Captain America, Jean Grey, and Beast. Oh no, we don't have that. Okay. Anyway, so this would probably go towards pricing and possibly also trade. Okay. So Beast is a good what you call this? Is a good alternate card, by the way. Okay. So but our main success is the Mr. Sinister. Okay, so we'll probably do a video of him on a separate video, a highlight of him on a separate video. But for now, we're gonna wrap up this, and again, successfully acquired Sinister. What do you guys think? Should I aim for another Rito Chase Booster, or perhaps just go and buy the items? Share your thoughts in the comments. But for now, bye!